lines. These vertical lines always indicates the price opening and closing for the respective days. So yesterday the market opening was here. So around 415 the market copper market opened. What we expected yesterday was that we expected that the copper can continue and stay in downtrend. That was our expectation, but there was only one precaution what we had made was that if the price was staying above 416, then the price can reverse its trend. That was our clear strategy for the complete week. So what really happened was that after the price opening here, you can see around 415, after the price opening the market fell down. You can see it came down till 413, and then from 413 it gave a bounce back, and again it couldn't sustain the 414.5, around 414 and around 414.5. then it gave a drop down, again came down and tested 413. At the end of the trading session the market went up and again closed, tried to test the average. You can see the most important point is the price put something above the average and closed around 415. So the price opening and closing both are equal, and after that from the price opening the market initially until the end most of the time was dominated by the seller, but it was staying in line with the trend and it was coming down. But at the end of the trading session the market closed around 415.5. so what we can expect today, and today's expected price opening is also more or less going to be in and around 414.5 to 415. so this is the zone where we are expecting the market to open. So it is really a very low volatile week for us, because hardly we got 2-3 points price actions for the complete week. But what we can say is that it is a good opportunity, and it is testing our patience. But once the market starts giving breaking of this 416, or if there is again a failure to sustain above 416 and 415, then the price can come down. In order to identify that, you can see we had marked the trend line also from 420, nearly 420, where it has dropped. We had connected the trend line, and again it is showing like triangle type of pattern. You can see that we had marked the trend line in order to identify a breakout or breakdown, or in order to identify which trend is still intact. So this is how we identify the market. So when the price, this can really guide us when the situation is in consolidation phase. So drawing a trend line can always guide us while there is some situation is not the market is low volatile, in order we can identify the trend. So today's strategy is also going to be a very simple strategy. That's what we had followed for the complete week. But this time you can see the price, again the price, one thing is very clear for us, the price is struggling to stay down. You can see many times the price came down, everywhere the price opened higher and they tested 500 and 415 and it came down, but it is not coming down and going below 413 or test this 412. It is 412 is clearly providing a good support for copper market. So this is going to be a real test time for us, because if the price is staying above 416, then it can possibly reverse its trend, so the market can go up. So today is going to be an important day for us. So initially we will go with a trend as if 416 can provide a good resistance for us, but if the price is going to break 416, then possibly the market can reverse its trend. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. So closely monitor this 416 zone. Initially go for a selling and test 416, then we can reverse our view. Hope today can be a good volatile day for copper market. It will provide us some good price volatility. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our video. Happy trading, take care, bye.